In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Twitch chat while streaming if you have only one monitor. If you had two monitors, you could easily view the chat on the second monitor, but if you're only using one monitor, you'll need to download a third-party application. Application is called Restream, so search for restream.io. Once you're here, you just need to sign up for Restream. You can easily sign up using a Google account, and once you're signed up, you'll land on this interface. Now what you need to do is from this screen, click on this option, click on Add Channel, and then select the Twitch option. Once Twitch is selected, you can also rename and update the title from here. Once all of that is done, you'll need to download the Restream app onto your desktops. So search for restream.io/chat, and you can easily download this for your Windows. Click on Download for Windows. Once the download is complete, you can open it up and install it onto your Windows. Once you install this app, now you'll need to log into your account, which would be the same of that you just created. So type in your details and click on login, or if you don't yet have an account, you can also create one by clicking on create account. After you successfully log into your chat of Restream, you can easily view this chat of your live stream on this application that you just logged into. We have already connected the Twitch previously on the Restream platform, so you don't need to connect it again, and you can see all of your chats in this box. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.